Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome back to our channel. This is Santosh. Today we are going to discuss very interesting and most important for boards and various Olympiads also. The topic falls under area of shaded region. In 10th standard students, it's very most important. The same question has been asked in NTSC 2016-17. Okay, as usual we are discussing right from many days. So, ABCD is a square of side 7 centimeters and BD is an arc of a circle of radius AB. What is the area of the shaded region? So here a figure has been given. It's a square of side 7 centimeters, 7, and BD is an arc of a circle of radius 7 centimeters. So here given AB is equal to 7 centimeters, the side of the square, and radius also given 7 centimeters. BD is an arc of a circle of radius 7 centimeters. Okay. So we have to determine the area of the shaded region. So if you observe carefully, let us go through various observations here. This region stands for Roman 1, region 1 here, and this is our region 2 and this is our region 3. Next, finally, this is our region 4. Now from the given analysis of the diagram, we have to determine the regions 2 and 3. Okay. So to do this one, I am going to illustrate in a better way. So consider from this the diagram. Which diagram here? This one. Okay. So in this way I am going through it. Which one here? A, this is D and this is B. So this one now stands for, this is totally stands for quadrant of a circle, 1/4 of the circle. Next, if I join this one BD, this ABD is a triangle. Which triangle? It is a 7 centimeters. Again here it is 90 degrees. No, here it is again 7 centimeters because all sides are equal since it is a square. So it is a right angle triangle, strictly right angle isosceles triangle. So to get the area of the shaded region, I am going to explain here. So area of region 2. So second area region, how to get the area of the region 2? Nothing but here, this is the area region 2. To get it, area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So to get the region 2 here, this one, only this part, okay, we have to find out the total area region 2 and we have to deduct the region, here the triangle region. Nothing but this is our shaded now, if you observe carefully. Okay, so now area of the quadrant, so 1/4 pi r square minus half into, since it is a right angle triangle, half into product of the perpendiculars is the area. So half into A into B. So 1/4 into 22/7 into radius is 7. So r square 7 into 7 minus 1/2 into, again this one is 7 into 7. So here I can write now, this one is nothing but 7 and 7 get cancelled. So this is 2s and this is 11s. So 11 into 7/2 minus 7 into 7, 49/2. Okay. So now 11 7s are 77. 77/2 minus 49/2. Okay. So 77 minus 49. So what you are going to get? 77 minus 49 here by 2, nothing but it is 28 by 2. So this you are going to get 14 centimeter square. So this is our region 2, only the region 2. Okay. So we have got the region 2. In the same way, it is in a inverted mode. The shaded region is also 3. So total region shaded is nothing but 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 assumes the same diagram. So no need of finding specifically region 3 here. So now, therefore, this implies what you got here, area of region 2 is this one. Similarly, area of region 3 is nothing but 14 centimeter square. So here this is the region 3 here. Okay, nothing but in the same way whatever we have done here, the upward direction. So region 2 is 14 centimeter square, region 3 is 14 centimeter square, no need to do specifically. Therefore required area, required shaded area is nothing but 14 plus 14, nothing but 28 centimeter square. So just this type of problems gives a good motivation for various students. No need to find specifically 2 times area, just to find out the 1 time area here. Nothing but area of quadrant minus area of triangle gives the area of the shaded region 2. So like this, pick up the shaded and unshaded regions, whatever you are going to get. Here 4 different regions, Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 2 and 3 stands for shaded area and 1 and 4 stands for unshaded area. Our intention is to find out the area of the shaded region. So 2 and 3, finally we got 28 centimeter square. So 28 centimeter square is nothing but our A option. So this is a question has been asked in NTSC 2016-17, area of the shaded region problem. We can have a look. So go through the diagrams neatly, try to analyze in this way. Just it's a matter of 1 or 2 minutes to get the area of this second region here. Area of quadrant minus area of triangle, triangle, use the area of shaded region 2. So 2 plus 3 gives you area of total region. So after watching the video, please viewers, I hope so you like this video, like it, share to your near and dear. This is also meant for various competitive examinations, at the same time for 10th various boards, NCERT, TS and AP. Thank you once again. Signing out.